On March 27, 2025, the Cranston Police Department pulled over a car for a seatbelt violation. What they found inside changed the course of the stop. Hidden in a secret compartment, 11 kilograms of cocaine, fentanyl, marijuana, and cash worth nearly $400,000. This is how a simple traffic stop led to a major drug bust, captured on body cam.
Just roll this down, bro. I wanted you to pull to the right, that's all.
Okay, sounds good.
No, it's alright, we're here now, it's all set.
Okay.
Sorry
Sorry
just
about
gonna wear your seatbelt the right way, okay?
Sorry about
You got
that.
your registration insurance?
Yes. Was everything going, boss?
Attention, on what happened. There's one
This is my cousin's rental.
Okay. I don't want that, I want the rental agreement. That's the registration. So are you on the rental agreement?
Yeah, I should be an authorized secondary. Should I give him a call?
In the center, maybe?
Is there any way you guys can search it up with the plate? Because
Doesn't
I
work
remember I
that
got into an accident.
Doesn't work that way.
It doesn't work that way?
No.
Okay.
Is it in the center, maybe?
Show me on 10, call, show me on headquarters, for search.
Sorry. Alright, just hop out, guys.
Is there a reason why?
Yeah, I want to talk to you outside of the car.
This is a traffic stop.
Yep, come on up.
Is
Get
there a
out of the
reason
car.
why?
Yes, I want to speak to you outside of the car.
But what is your reason?
We'll talk outside of the car.
I'm trying to look for the registration, but
Okay.
it's not taking my car, so.
Okay. The United States Supreme Court
Okay.
allows me
Understand.
to ask you to get out of the car.
Understand.
All right? Any weapons on you?
No weapons.
Just keep your hands out of the pockets for me. I'm not patting you down. Relax. Just come over here. I just told you we're just talking. Just slide on that side. Just rest your butt right now.
So listen.
So what's up, man?
So before you search up, I usually get like a kind of noise. Before you search up my name, write in some
Okay.
My brother's incarcerated. Same name
Cool.
as me.
Okay.
So they usually get me confused.
Yeah, I got you.
That's all I want to
It
say.
happens. Okay.
I usually get pulled out a lot, and I know it's because
Okay.
they usually confuse me for him.
I've never met you. I have no fucking clue who you are or your brother.
Appreciate it.
I don't care. All right? All right. So it's your cousin's rental?
Yes.
And who's your cousin?
Province. Just moved
Where are you going now?
Right now I'm going to get an oil change at Firestone.
I'm sorry?
I'm going to get an oil change at Firestone. Literally
Okay.
right down the road. And I got 2 nails in the tire, so right after that I'm trying to get that situated.
Okay. And where are you coming from now?
School. I go to Providence College.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
You see? What do you study there?
Finance.
Finance?
I went to Roger Williams, did 1 year criminal justice, transferred there.
Right on. Cool, man. What do you do for work?
Right now I'm a bus driver. I'm a bus monitor.
Yeah.
I want to become a bus driver. My mom's a bus driver. She's trying to get me in that. And I'm a lifeguard on weekends. Literally just took this car for the day.
I get it, man. How's your license?
Say it again?
How's your license?
My license is good. I just got into an accident.
It's all active, though?
Yeah, everything's
No warrants or anything
No.
like that? Okay. You ever been arrested?
Never been arrested.
Never in your life?
Never in my life.
So you're not on probation, bail, parole, nothing like that? Have you had any recent tickets or anything?
I probably got like a speeding ticket about a couple months ago.
Where was that at?
I think it was in
In Rhode Island?
Yeah, it was in Rhode Island.
Providence or?
Rhode Island. Not Providence. It was some. I'm trying to think now.
Do you live in Farmington?
Oh, I was coming from Foxwoods.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
No big deal.
My grandfather lives in Farmington, so
where do you stay?
I usually reside with him.
Would predominantly you sleep there? Or?
Yeah, predominantly.
Okay. So you're coming from, what did you say?
School. I'm going for school right now.
Okay.
I live on campus too.
You already had
But
class
I usually,
today?
no, I don't have class today.
No. All right. Nice. Thursday, no class?
No class.
Word.
Friday, but tomorrow's usually my busy days. That's at 5 o'clock.
And you're going to Firestone to get an oil change?
Firestone to get an oil change, and then I'm going to get the nails on my tire. Probably somewhere in Union.
Where's your cousin at? Are you doing chores for him?
10:20.
Okay.
He told me I can use the car tonight. I got a date tonight, so.
Okay. Anything illegal in the car?
No, nothing illegal.
Okay. No firearms?
No firearms.
No cocaine? No large No large amounts of U.S. currency?
There's probably like $1,000 in the car.
$1,000 bucks. Okay. Fentanyl. Marijuana. Large amounts of marijuana.
I mean, I smoke marijuana, but
Yeah, no big deal.
no.
No large amounts of marijuana
No.
in the car. Okay. No unprescribed medications.
No.
What's in the? Is it that all medical marijuana in the trash bag in the back?
But there's probably like,
Are they empty or full?
well, a lot of the boxes are empty, but there's
There's like 1,000 of them in there.
No.
Trash bag's full, so no big deal.
Not 1,000.
Yeah, I mean there's a lot. It's full, so.
I like smoke a lot. I'm a smoker.
Yeah, that's cool.
But
Okay.
I don't do nothing else. I'm call it.
Yeah, I got you. Anything illegal on you?
No.
Is there anything if I pat you down?
Yeah.
All right, just stand up. Put your hands in the car, relax. Right here.
There you go.
So you've never been in trouble?
Never been trouble.
Spread your legs a little wide for me. Nothing in between your legs?
Nothing.
No, spread your legs. How come your brother's not getting the, your cousin's not getting the all that switch?
He asked me to do him a favor.
Okay. Just come over here for me. Have a seat in my car. You're not under arrest, okay?
Alright.
Just being detained for now, okay? Alright, listen, I've been doing this a long time, alright? All I look for is drugs and guns. So
Okay.
if you're forthcoming with me, I'm gonna be cool with you. I'm just telling you my
I totally
I'm telling you my side, alright?
I understand.
So obviously I have a job to do, alright? And I'm good at my job. Alright? You're displaying a lot of things to me that make me very suspicious.
No, I totally understand.
Alright? So this is kind of your last opportunity. If there's anything small in that car, I honestly don't care about small amounts of
There's
anything
just-
drugs.
I'm gonna be completely honest with you, just a little bit of marijuana.
Yeah.
Not that much.
What's a little bit?
Probably like literally 2 ounces.
2 ounces.
It's just in boxes, so it looks a lot.
Yeah, I got you. Alright, just hang tight for me.
And I have my cell phones in there, but
Yeah, how many phones you got? Sorry,
there's probably like
5 in there.
but a lot of those are not even like on.
don't function?
And, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
A lot of them aren't.
Alright, just hang tight for me, bro. Appreciate it. What's up?
Anyway, you put the feet on.
Yeah, it's on. I know it's fucking cold. So you're studying finance?
Finance, my last year.
Did you just leave the dispensary? Is that why it's all in the car, or what's the story?
Well, honestly, I smoke a lot of freaking weed, bro. A lot of fucking weed.
Okay.
So I like to keep a lot on me. Well, not a lot. I don't really consider that a lot.
Do you sell it, or what?
I wouldn't say I sell it. Like my brothers.
Hook your boys up, whatever?
My brothers smoke a lot of weed. I have a lot of siblings.
Okay.
So my brothers need, but I'll give them weed and stuff like that. But I wouldn't call myself like that. You get like that. You get what I'm saying?
I got you. How much cash is in the car?
I just took the car for literally a day. I can't say it, but I was probably say like $1,000.
Okay.
Literally just took the car.
Where'd you pick the car up?
Providence.
Where's that at? Whereabouts?
About like 12 minutes from here. It's like the south side.
At your cousin's address?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, they're not comfortable. Alright, give me a second.
Go ahead.
Over the 119 for 7 didn't call 911. Detained.
Obviously selling it.
Put me out of stadium. Put me en route to road school for a 2700 series.
Respond to a well-being check at 167 Park Ave. Good?
Want to talk to me?
For what?
It's behind a couple of
Behind a couple of them.
the back seat.
I don't know what you're talking about, boss.
Car 106.
106.
If you're close, could you come over here for a minute?
Temple.
Is that a freaking kilo, dude? Oh my god. Holy shit. $122.
122, go ahead.
Supervisor, my location, please code call.
Supervisor received.
We good?
I'm gonna read you your rights, okay?
That's 5, I'm en route.
I'm gonna read you your rights, okay?
Absolutely.
10-4.
Just hang on, wait for another officer, okay? Just kind of witness it, okay?
What's going on?
Just found some stuff in your car that we gotta talk about. Okay?
Some stuff.
Yep. So just hang tight for me. $122.
122.
Is there a K9 on right now? I'm sorry, I need them here.
Of course. K9-1. K9's on 1. .122 is looking for a K9 at Reservoir and Park. Okay, 10-4. 101. Just let me out of training. 10-4. Sorry. Respond to a 1050 J1.
Hey Shane, are you on?
Park in Greenwood. Color is in a maroon Ford SUV.
Hey, are you by yourself? Alright, you can go take it off mute. I think there's 5 kilos in this truck. I think so. I think. It's crazy. I'm like freaking out right now. So I get him out of the car. He drives by me. He's like freaking out. I'm looking at him. He's right in front of me. And so I stop him. No seatbelt. And I go to the rear door, and there's a big trash bag full of medical marijuana from the dispensary. Like, it's loaded. It's probably over 2 ounces. So I'll wait till he gets here.
In your car right now?
Huh? He's detained, yeah.
That's 5, I'm out. 10-4.
Sarge? I was just filling him in, but I'll start over. You can go on. I want this on camera.
Okay.
Alright, he pulls in front of me. He's coming this way.
All 4.
Rental car out of New York. He's not on a rental. Can't provide rental agreement. Says it's his cousin's trash bag full of medical marijuana. Appears to be over 2 ounces, right? So I go through my whole interview, which I've been taught extensively. You know my history.
Yeah.
Anyway, so gives me the consent to pat him down. Nothing on him. Extremely nervous. Numerous cell phones in the center console. Over $1,000 in the center console. I start searching the car.
1023.
There's what appears to be over 2 ounces of marijuana. I'd have to take it out and count it. Anyway,
Justin, can you just do me a favor and just keep
he's
an eye
detained
on
in the
him?
back seat of my car.
Oh, okay.
He's
All right, never
he's
mind.
not
Never mind.
handcuffed.
Okay.
Oh yeah, he's been out. I got him right
Oh,
out.
okay. Yeah.
So I'm searching the car and I see, so the third row, I pull down the back seat, get to the third row, and I look, I see the cup holder, it's fucked up. It's not fixed properly in the car.
Yeah.
So I pick it up and I can see, appears to be a tan wrapper. So I lift it up more, I see several of them. I think there's like 5 kilos in the rear quarter of this car right now. So I'm just gonna, I have probable cause.
Yeah.
I can articulate everything.
Yep.
I just want the dog just to make it concrete.
Yep.
And then I'm gonna take it off.
Well, I mean, if the thing was fucked up when you saw it.
Oh, I want the dog just to
Gotcha.
knock it in.
All right, just.
Yeah, he knows. I just told him.
Okay. And it's just him in the car.
Just him. Yep.
So there's nobody else we got to worry about.
Nope, he's not in handcuffs. He's been very cooperative.
Okay.
But it's all there.
Yeah. Where's this kid coming from?
He says he's coming from Providence. I don't want to talk to him again because I want him to hit, and then I want to read him his rights, and then I want to.
Okay.
So if the dog hits, so I'm pretty confident it's kilos, but I could be wrong. I'm on. Yeah, I want it on. It's all on. It's fine.
Yeah, we're all on.
Good to go. Put it on for me. Thank you. I saw one like slid down, and it's the exact shape of a kilo, and I was like, maybe it's like an airbag. I don't know.
Yep.
Right? But it's not an airbag.
Yeah.
And then I looked further, and I saw 2 stacked. One's wrapped in red tape.
Yeah.
One's wrapped in black tape. It's
And
all
he's
indicative.
definitely
Of,
got more than 2 ounces of marijuana in there. Also.
I have probable cause for the search, regardless.
No, I'm
But
just
yes.
saying. Yeah.
Yeah.
Not driving fast as they usually do.
Yep, take the gift.
Is he from the north?
Come here, quick. Stop. Check, yeah.
412.
Yep.
Hey, tell me how it's going.
Yep, come here. Go on. Take the
If it's it's not kilos, I'm gonna be blown away because it looks just like it, dude.
Check the gift. Check her. Oh, check up.
Nice corner.
Yeah. Okay, check her. Here, hop.
Father.
Boy.
That,
Good boy. Good boy. Okay. Good. Get it back. Good. Good job. Come on. Oh, good. Check the gift. Check the gift. Check. Come on. Check the gift. Come on. Check the gift. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. Come on. Timmy. Good boy. Come on. Good boy, Timmy. Come on. Hang on, yep. Hang on. Hoop. Good boy. Justin. Justin.
Am I on mute or no?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Just tell me what you got. Yeah. Yep. Look in here, Shane.
This is what you kept coming back.
Look
to
right
this.
here. Oh, I got it. Look to your, look this way and then over.
You say what?
Look, it's all cut out. It's not
No,
normal.
no, it's you say what? I got it.
See it? There's two over here too.
Definitely.
It's a kilo,
Definitely.
right?
Definitely.
Grab
Yeah, you know
sir,
what?
can you grab me my phone? I want to take a photo, please.
No, I got a
Okay. No, I don't need it. I'm gonna rip it right off. This is all. So, dude, I get up to the car. I'm on, which is fine. I want it. It's fine. So I see it ajar. So I lick it up, and I was like, "That's not normal." He's got the weed right here to mask the odor of the fucking drugs. He's got the air blasting.
I'll get a camera out.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good.
That's fine.
I still want my phone. Can you grab it? I'm gonna talk to him. I'm gonna read his rights.
Hold on. Anybody on the road with a camera?
I got one.
Oh, you do? Oh. Disregard.
All right, it's Teddy, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm just going to read you your rights. I just want you to listen, okay?
Absolutely.
You have the right to remain silent. You do not have to answer any questions or give statements. If you give up your right to remain silent, anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to You have the right to the presence of a lawyer and talk with the lawyer before and during any questioning. If you can't afford a lawyer and you want one, a lawyer will be appointed for you at no cost before any questioning. If you do talk to police, you can stop at any time. These are your constitutional rights. Do you understand?
Absolutely.
Okay. Do you want to talk to me?
I don't know what's going on.
I found some packages in the rear quarter of your vehicle that are indicative of heavy amount of narcotics.
Okay.
What do you know about it?
I don't know nothing about it.
Okay. So you don't know if this car's loaded with a bunch of kilos?
I don't know nothing about
Because
it.
it's loaded with a bunch of kilos.
I really don't know nothing.
Okay. Nah, he's not talking. Yes, I just want to get one quick. OD, can you hold this up for me?
I've been there to 10-8. Cancel 9.
Okay, let me do this.
Yep, go ahead.
Move.
Flash it. Oh, right there, hold it. Camera?
Take a picture of the actual.
Yeah, that's how it was. It was a little low, but... Can you turn the fucking air off? Alright, can you, I'm just freaking out. You want to just pop that so I can get a photo of in there with the foot?
Matter of fact, let's get him cuffed up.
He's alright. Give me a second. Oh, I need, you got a multi-tool? It's got like chicken wire, like...
Metal.
Let me see what you're looking at.
Right there.
Yeah, hop right in, son. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 5 right now. And I just need to cut this. There we go. Okay.
Get gloves on. She's his girlfriend?
I don't know. She pulled up. I got it. Hey, can you hold that like that?
I got it.
I'm just trying to grab these.
We'll just leave them in there. Well, actually, you already got a picture of them? Want to get another phone?
Yeah, I got some. God, we just need to see.
My hands are small.
Yeah, not because it's getting in the way.
No, right there. Pull, give me one good pull back now.
Oh, baby.
One more. Hang on.
Oh. Yeah. All right, I got it. All right, what's your hand?
Go ahead, bro.
All right, move that. Look out, move that. Oh shit, yeah. I think I just broke your multi-tool.
I don't care.
It's worth it.
Yeah, fuck it.
Just leave them all right here for now.
You can see it's fat.
Yeah. That could be anything. Could be fat coke. Oh my goodness gracious. This is insane.
5, 4?
Holy shit. They coming. Keep coming, baby. Keep coming. Holy fuck.
Hang on. Can I see a flashlight, bro? Please?
Told who? All right, this whole fender's got it, because this whole fender's loaded.
Yeah, you gotta bring it off.
This whole fender's loaded, I think.
We gotta call narcotics.
Hold on, let me do my thing before we get down the valve, please. This has nothing to do with them at the moment.
Alright. But eventually.
I agree, eventually. Just give me a little bit of time here. I can't see, hurry.
I'm gonna have Justin put him in handcuffs right now.
I want to do that. Give me a second.
That's what
I don't know. Alright, put your hands behind your back. Alright, you're under arrest, okay?
Anyway, you can loosen these a little bit.
Yeah, I told you I'm gonna be cool with you as long as you're cool with me. And that's how handcuffs fit. They fit you perfectly. I can stick my finger in there. You're okay. Thank you. One in custody. Hey Justin, can you come over here?
On the street. 1-3, go ahead.
I'm gonna hold the flashlight. You stick your head in there. See if there's some more down there. I can't see. Down there. Can you tell?
That compartment?
You're better off popping that whole quarter right off.
Yeah, you see it dives down, but you can't see anymore. Yeah, right where
Oh yeah, there's more. Holy shit.
Transporting you on the belt now from my location to headquarters starting 0.
How about take this whole tray?
Time is
There
10:31.
you go.
It's probably all clips now.
I'm taking any out, please.
This,
Oh, I got more. Hold on.
I'm gonna try to reach my hand in there. I got long arms.
Yep, that's where I can. Here you go.
I wonder how deep that compartment is.
This is crazy. This is crazy, bro. I think I got them all. It goes way down.
Yeah, if I dive down to like the floor.
Yeah, try, hold on, let me out.
you know what, Pat? I bet you're better off whipping the whole car.
Hey, G5.
Oh, this car's now it's fine, yeah.
You know what I mean?
Hey, go ahead.
Like I bet you're all back there.
Transfer field on Peter King, 477. 10-4.
9, this gotta be 10, right? It's gotta be.
Yeah, let's just put that.
Oh, this has to stay right there. That's the money shot. That's the money shot. That's everything I've worked for. This has gotta come off. Oh, yeah.
Why don't you go ahead?
Flashlight?
You show me your spine. 13. 10-4.
That's 5. I'll stick my hand and see if you can see it.
How many kilos are in the car? Okay. You can start a hook, Sarge.
Can't see my hand.
I got it.
Hang on. Dip.
122.
My location.
Yeah, that's what I looked under.
105, 10
Pat,
Yeah, I mean, yeah, do your thing, dude.
because I got that tool apart.
Yeah, hell yeah. Oh my god.
I'm just saying anything.
Oh my god.
This woman says that she's got no connection to this whole thing.
Okay.
Did we rip the other side off?
That's good. Thank you. Good point. See, I got tunnel vision.
Hey, honey.
I have to take this whole car apart.
Oh, yeah, this whole thing.
I haven't even got that far.
That's what
Now, this one's solid. This one's
Get that
solid.
plate information I gave you.
Negative.
Like this one looks mint. The other one was ajar, and then I lifted up and I saw the cutout. Justin, did you stick your hand down there? Or?
When he popped this, he couldn't see my hand popping through. So it might be like a different compartment. So he couldn't see my hand, so I put it all the way through.
And it's just all the separate code for the one that 503 is asking for, or is it related? Same stuff.
No, it's all the same though.
This is one. I have your flashlight. Hey Justin, can you see whatever the hell is ringing and shut it off? And actually, hey, do you have an evidence bag? Yep. All right, do me a favor.
I got the little one.
So grab your camera. I want to take photos of the inside of the center. Hold on, wait. Inside the center console, there's a ton of cash in there. I want a picture of all the weed, just in the trash bag. Just put it back in this back seat, take that photo, and take all his phones, and just put everything on my front floorboard in the pack. Thank you.
Hey, want this?
No, there's like nothing to take off. I think I got it all, dude, but I'm not positive. So I can feel that black piece that you were looking at over on this side.
Okay.
Yeah. I want to say there might be one more down there,
That's what I'm trying to get.
Sarge, because it sinks down.
Yeah.
There could be a couple more that fell. I don't know how to get at them.
But right now, we don't have to get at it right now.
Correct. So
We can just get
we'll
it
take the
down to
photos
BCI,
down to BCI, take him to the station.
take him to the station, take his phones,
Oh yeah, I got everything.
all the phones,
Yep.
all the tags, everything.
Yeah, it's fine. Shut it off. Open container too.
That's gonna put them away.
Not the 9 kilos.
There's no rush at this point.
Okay, I can take a breathe. I can breathe.
Are you?
I'm like,
Yeah.